In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell t-shirts on TikTok Shop organically, even if you're just starting out. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid foundation to begin reaching your audience authentically and effectively. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to set yourself up as a TikTok Shop seller. Head over to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. You'll find it useful to have your TikTok account ready, as that's what you'll be using to sign up. As you go through the sign up process, TikTok will ask for some business details to verify who you are. This might include verification documents or possibly your bank information. While it might feel a bit like paperwork, this is a vital step to ensure that you can start selling worry-free and have an easy time receiving your payments. Once that's all set and you're ready to start showcasing your products, it's time to create your t-shirt listings. Over in the Seller Center, look for the Add Product option to start uploading. Here's where you get to be creative. Upload high-quality photos of your t-shirts that really capture their essence. Remember, people love detail, so add clear, concise descriptions, mention the available sizes and colors, and finalize it with an appealing price. Make sure everything is categorized correctly under apparel and then specifically under t-shirts. This helps potential customers find exactly what they're looking for, which is crucial for getting their attention. Now, a big part of succeeding organically on TikTok is to optimize your product listings for organic reach. To do this, sprinkle in some trending keywords into your product titles and descriptions. Think of this as using the right words to connect with your audience. Keywords are like the bridge between what people are typing and your awesome t-shirts. Don't forget to include hashtags that target your niche. It's a great way to connect with people who have specific interests that your product can satisfy. Highlight aspects that make your t-shirts special. Perhaps it's a unique design, premium materials, or even a limited edition release. This uniqueness can be the difference between a scroll and a sale. Finally, promoting organically on TikTok is all about being engaging and authentic. As you create content, think about ways to naturally show off your t-shirts. Share posts that resonate with the lifestyle around your brand, or create fun videos that spotlight your t-shirts in action. Collaborations with influencers in your niche can greatly boost visibility. While you're sharing, engage actively with your audience, respond to their comments, show appreciation for likes, and weave in the spirit of your brand story throughout. Now you're ready to start selling on TikTok Shop and reach a whole new audience. Remember, persistence and creativity are your best friends on this journey. Thanks for joining, and happy selling.